Solve the following simultaneous linear equation. In this video, I will solve this simultaneous linear equation using graphical methods. These two are actually linear functions, means that there will be a straight line. If you want to draw the graph for a straight line, you just need 2 points. Let me do this one first. 2x plus y equal to 3. You just draw a table. This is x, this is y. So you just choose a value that make you easy to calculate. You can fix the value of x. Let's say when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 2 times 0, right? We need to find the value of y. Plus y equal to 3. And we know y is equal to 3. So you have the value of y. Okay, so here you can also fix the value of x. If you don't want, you can actually fix the value of y. Okay, let's say I fix the value of x 2. I want to find when x is equal to 2, what is the value of y? When x is equal to 2 times 2 plus y equal to 3. And here we'll give you 4 plus y equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 4. Y is equal to negative 1. Now you have 2 points, 0, 3, and 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1. Before I draw this graph, let me do the second one first. X minus 3 equal to, oh, this is not negative 3y. I wrote it wrongly. Okay, x minus 3 equal to y. Same thing, we draw a table. Draw a table first. X, y. When x is equal to 0, I always use 0 because 0 makes us easier to calculate, to get the value of y. So if here is 0, right? 0 minus 3 equal to y, and you get the value of y. Y is equal to negative 3. Easy, right? So negative 3. So how about this one? I just fix the value of y this time. Let it be 0. When y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? X minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 3. Now, I have had 2 points for this linear function. 0, negative 3, 3, 0. Okay, next is to plan. Draw the graph. So you need to draw the x-axis and y-axis first. So here the x we need, okay, the x is 0 and 2 and y is 3 is negative 1. X is 0, 3 and y is negative 3, 0. Okay, we do this one first. Before that, I need to label it first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here same thing. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. 1. After finish labeling the x-axis and y-axis, we can start to draw the graph. Okay, we do this one first. 2x plus y equal to 3. 0, 3. Okay, 0, 3 is over here. This 0, 3. Okay, this is origin. 0, 3. Another point is 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1 is over here. Okay, then just draw a line. Use your ruler. Connect these 2 points together. After we draw a graph, label it 2x plus y equal to 3. We do the same thing for this one. Second graph. You have, okay, let me write over here 0, negative 3, another one is 3, 0. Okay. 0, -3 will be here. 0, -3 will be here. And 3, 0 will be here. Okay, just connect these 2 points together. After drawing the graph, label it. This is x minus 3 equal to y. So, what is the answer? What are the answers? What is the value for x and y? X is equal to what? Y equal to what? Okay, so we just look at the intersection point. The intersection point will give you the answer. So we notice this is the intersection point, right? The coordinate is 2, -1. 2, -1. The intersection point is the answer that we want. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to -1. These are the way how we solve simultaneous linear equation using graphical method. Actually, you can also use a calculator to help you. So if you want to use a calculator, make sure you arrange all the terms nicely. So in this case, if I want to use a calculator to help me, this equation, no problem. For a second one, I need to arrange it x and x together, and the y I have right here, minus y, and -3 bring over here, it becomes +3. Okay, let's check how do you, let me show you how to use the calculator. Okay, press the setup button here, 1. Then you will see equations, go to 5, and choose the first one. Okay, then you can start to key in. The A is 2, and press equal. The B is the coefficient of y here. So you don't have you have nothing here, means 1. That's 1 equal, and the C is 3 equal. And here, when this is the second equation, the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is -1, -1, and the last one is 3. Okay, press equal. Okay, x is equal to 2, correct or not? Okay, correct. Press again. Y is equal to -1. These are the way how we use a calculator to help us to get the answers. Okay, but when you use a calculator to help you, you have to be careful. The x here always is a value for the first unknown. If you put y here, your calculator will not know. The calculator will still give you x equal to 1. So the value of x is actually the answer for the first unknown. So the answer for these questions will be x equal to 2, y equal to -1. Let's try one more questions. Let's look at the second questions. X plus y, same thing. I'm going to solve this simultaneous equations, linear equation using graphical method. I draw a table for these linear functions and calculate the value of x and y. Since this is a straight line, I just need 2 points. Okay, if x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, 0 plus y equal to 2. Okay, so y is equal to I just fix the value of y. When y is equal to 0, what is x? X plus 0 equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, so I have 2 points here. 0, 2, and 2, 0. Do the same thing for another equation. 3x plus 6 equal to y. Draw a table. X and y. Okay, so you can choose any value of any value for x to calculate the value of y, or any value of y to calculate the value of x. So as long as value make it easy, will get the answer easier for you to plot the point. Okay, I just use 0. When x is equal to 0, 3 times 0 plus 6 is equal to y, and we know y is equal to 6, right? Okay, how about this time if I use y is equal to 0, right? 3x plus 6 equals 0. 3x is equal to negative 6. X is equal to negative 2. Okay, so this point, this one no problem, right? Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 2. Okay, then we can start to plot the point. So the point here will be 0, 6, and then the point will be negative 2, 0. Okay, I plot the point for this one first. 0, 2. 0, 2 will be here. 0, 2. 2, 0. 2, 0 will be here. Okay, let's connect these 2 points together. Okay, so this is a graph. X plus y equal to, and we go to the second equations. Okay, let me use another color. 0, 6, 0, 6 will be here. 0, 6. And negative 2, 0. Negative 2, 0 will be here. Always remember this is x, y, x, y. Huh? Okay, then we just connect these 2 points together. Okay, so this is a graph for a second one. 3x plus 6 equal to y. So where's the intersection point? The intersection point is here. Okay, so the coordinate for the intersection point here is negative 1, comma, and here is the middle 2 and 4, the middle of 2 and 4, which is equal to 3. So we know that the x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 3. These are the solutions for these questions. Hope that after watching my video you understand better about how to solve the simultaneous linear equation using graphical method. See you in the next video. Bye bye.